If you have jackfruit at your home, then prepare this delicious, tasty breakfast recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare karavali special jackfruit rice cake recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Let's see the ingredients to make this recipe. Here I have taken 2 cups of jackfruit, 1 cup of jaggery powder, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 and 1/4 cup of overnight soaked idli rice. First take a mixer jar and add jackfruit and grind into paste. Now add grated coconut, cardamom, jaggery powder and soaked rice. You can grind it into 2 batches. Do not add any water. Do not grind into smooth paste. It should be coarse paste as shown as in the video. Now I am going to transfer it to another vessel and add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare for baking this cake. Here I have a pressure cooker which is 5 liter. To this I am going to apply some oil. Next I have 4 pieces of banana leaf. We need to apply oil to this also. The reason behind to apply oil is the cake should not stick to the cooker and it will come out easily. Now slowly place the leaf into the cooker. Now we will pour the batter and close the lid without the cooker ring and whistle. Here I have kept my old frying pan preheat for 5 minutes on medium flame and then place the cooker which is contained batter and cook for 60 minutes on low flame. Traditionally in our village we make this cake in the oven like this. Burning fire on top and bottom and we will cook for about 1 hour. What's special about this cake is that in our village we make it in previous night and we will have this in the morning as a breakfast so that the taste will be so good. But we are living in a city, we can't make like this, so that I have shown this cake to make in the cooker. So after 60 minutes, just check the cake whether it is cooked or not. Just insert a knife or any toothpick. If it is came out cleanly, that means your cake is baked and it is ready to be served. You must try this recipe. You can also replace the jackfruit with the cucumber too. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.